Hello, this is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course code and the course name is 23 CSP 201 Object Oriented Programming, and the Unit 1 Introduction to Object Oriented Programming, and the topic is data types in Java. So, as an introduction, Java is an high-level language. It is an object-oriented programming language. So it was initially found by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, and later on it was been acquired by Oracle Systems. So the main features of Java are platform independence, its security, and its high performance. So Java is an open source. So in this video we will be seeing about the data types used in Java. So in previous videos we have seen what is the general introduction of Java and what are the ways by which it got evolved in this world, and other features related to the Java. And in this video we will be learning about the data types used in Java. So data types are used for specifying the type and size of the data, without which a variable cannot be used in a program. So what are the main importance and why data types is used in Java is first, so the first reason is it ensures the type safety, and second one, it optimizes the memory usage, and the third one is it facilitates the correct operations on data. So we'll be seeing this with an example. So we'll see what are the types of data. So we just learned what is a data type, so without which a variable cannot be initialized. For example, if it is an integer number, we use int, and if it is a decimal value point, we use float. And this is a supporting system without which a variable cannot be defined. So the main types or main categories of data types. So first one is primitive data type, and the second one is non-primitive data types. And this non-primitive data types is also called as in reference data types. So we could see the small diagram with it. So data types, it has two types, primitive and non-primitive. So under primitive we are having integer, floating point, character, and boolean. And in non-primitive data types we are having classes, interfaces, arrays, and strings. So we'll be seeing one by one. So the first one is primitive data types, under which we are having integer, floating point, character, and boolean. So integer is a type of data type that is used for a number, a whole number. For example, 1, 2, or 38 or 42. For a whole integer number we'll be using int. So this is declared as int. So under this we are having few types: byte, short, int, and long. So these all of fall under the same category called integer, and the differences among this is just the size for which we are using it in a program. And next one is the floating point. So this floating point is mainly used for the decimal values. For example, if you are using a program in which we need to mention the weight of a particular person, so in that case we are using floating point. For example, 72.8 or 84.6. In this case the decimal values falls under the category of floating point. And next one is a character. So this is the general alphabets we are using in a program. For example, we are using a character A, B, or C. So for this reasons we are using the data type called character. And next one is boolean. So this is boolean value. So we'll be seeing in this next slide. So these are the data types with its memory size or its size. So first one is byte. So byte is an 8-bit integer. Second one is short. So this short is called it has 16-bit integer value. And next one is int. So this is the most widely used one. It has the size of 32 bits. And next one is long. So as the name specifies, it is used for the longer value, like it has 64-bit value. So example is we could see it in example. So that is 2 power 63. So it has a long value, so around 14 to 15 numbers. So in that case we are using 64-bit values with double in data type. Next one is character. So this is a 16-bit character. Example, any alphabet A, B, or C, etc. Next one is boolean. So as we saw previously, so boolean is used to specify either true or false. So in cases which used for either one binary value, for example, like if a person is eligible to vote or not, if he is eligible to vote, then he should be above 18 years and the condition satisfies. So if the condition satisfies, the value is true, or else the value is false. So such examples we use the data type called boolean. So next one is non-primitive data types. So this mainly has 4 types: strings, arrays, classes, and interfaces. So this strings or sequence of characters. For example, we say one or more combination of a character. For example, hello Java, it is given. So arrays are the collection of elements of same type. We will be seeing in next examples. So classes are the main concepts used in Java. So these are the user defined types. Example, custom objects. That is, so classes are created by the users. Next one is interfaces. So these are the abstract classes used for defining the contracts. An example, so first one is primitive data type. So we are declaring the age, int age is equal to 25, next double salary. So this is based on the size, and boolean is active. If it is active, it's true, or else it's false. And next, non-primitive data types. First one is string name. We are giving a string name, that is John Doe. Then scores, some particular scores which is needed for that particular situation. So this is 85, 90, 95. So this falls under the category of array.